25, we're out of here. Okay, no later than that. If you have a private helicopter, you can park it right there. But then again, you probably wouldn't be on my bus right now.
Yeah.
Now, before they built the that expansion bridge, that's the highway right there that you would have traveled over and continued on through Arizona. But they closed that up once they built the expansion bridge. So come on down, you got 15 minutes, 9:25, we're going to load up. Okay, Layla will walk down there with you. Take some photos.
Sheep? Where? Sheep.
We'll still be out there.
Can't go down the highway, just go right to the big blue shoot.
Yeah. But you have to be quick because they're running away. Yeah.
Mama? I guess you can say this is really sheepish.
You can tell the bus driver he's doing some damn good driving.
No.
Oh, come on. You like his puns? You can give him one back. Come on.
You gone?
Oh, I think one of them is deciding not to move. Hey guys, I think there's people filming us. We need to run right now.
That's it. Excuse me? Yeah.
That one's just not moving. It's just standing there.
Okay. Everybody? Okay. Are you ready?
Why is it not moving? They're all the way over there. It's not moving.
Must have seen something.
What's this?
Fixated on
Did
that.
somebody turn on the flash?
Did you get them?
I got a lot.
Good. The whole family did.
Yeah, there's 3 in 1.
I see. Oh, the whole
This
family.
one is just fixated. It's like froze.
It's just standing there. Mama, I guess, Mama, you know what, Mama?
Oh, come on. I want you to say that to the driver. Come on.
No, Mama,
What?
I think I'm feeling a little sheepish.
Wait, don't we can go down here,
In the
right?
middle of the highway.
No,
You go
don't.
over there.
Come on, Justin.
Can you imagine somebody just parkours over that and tries to go attack the sheep or something? So he just parkours over that. Boy, you ain't getting away from me.
See the roads go. Oh, look, that thing is still there. His whole family's elsewhere, but he's like posing for pictures.
He's just there.
I know.
He ain't moving a muscle.
Oh, I see. He moved his head.
Oh, finally moved. Is
So, are you going to take a picture with us by the sign that says Hoover?
I'm still recording.
I don't think you'd be recording now. We're just walking.
I know. It's still
it's on
interesting.
pause.
It's still interesting though for everybody to see.
Oh, yeah.
And that is totally where the Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild started.
I'm a potato.
And there's another tour bus coming. Are you kidding me?
You go one, I'll both you stay on one side. Okay, go. Go, Justin, go, come on.
Put it on pause.
Mama, I guess you can say that's a lot of damage.
All right, let me go take some pictures.
Okay.
You know what? It's better to come on the other side because they're in the shade. Yeah, so like this. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. We'll take another one. Okay.
Number 15. Mountain foot lettuce. The last thing you want in your mountain is somebody else's foot fungus, but as it turns out, that might be what you get. Wow, it's a helicopter. Wow, it's a helicopter. Number 14, potatoes. The last thing you're gonna want in the road is a potato, because then if it's a potato that was made the wrong way, there could be a knife inside it, which could pop your tire, which then will lead you to go breaking off that, and then you will fall to your death.